Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is an absolutely beautiful, ever popular Boston Whaler 350 Realm. So what we're doing, we're going to kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool options. With all the Whalers, you have the Deep V AccuTrack hull. Those reverse chines go the full length of the boat. That's where the dry ride comes from and the good handling. This is also a painted hull. Very, very pretty. This particular blue is called Horizon Blue. With all the 350 Realms, you get a nice dive door, and that's great for diving or if you're catching huge fish, but also when you're docking and stuff, depending on where you're docking, it may make it a little bit easier to get on and off the boat. So huge oversized trim tabs, beautiful underwater lights. So these boys right here, Trip 400 Verados. These are the largest motors you can put on this boat. It has excellent horsepower to weight ratio. About 112 hours on the motors. All the service is up to date on the motors and the generator. So this boat is very, very highly optioned out. And we'll go through some of those cool options right now. So especially if you're keeping the boat on a lift, all you do is hook a water hose in right here, push a button over there, and it'll flush each engine for 7 or 10 minutes, whatever your choice is. Much, much easier than hooking up a hose to all 3 motors. Freshwater shower on the back. The owner also did a real nice sea deck all the way through the boat, and I like the color of this one. In the back, we do have a recirculating bait well. That's actually where we flush our motors right there. And then right here, it's a great boat for entertaining because it gives you the protection of the windshield. It does have air conditioning in the cabin and at the helm, and very comfortable all the way around. We've got our stove that's right here. So if you wanted to cook some hot dogs or hamburgers or what have you, very, very convenient to do that. And as you can see, some of the canvas is down, but this has a full canvas enclosure all the way around. And it's a Maclaron, it's a Strata-Glass type product, and everything stores overhead. Now, this one also has, in this particular port fish box, has freezer plates. So if you are doing some overnighting, doing some fishing and stuff like that, everything freezes in there, which is really nice. Plus in here, we have another ice box, and this particular seat it can go fore and aft depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Whoop, sorry. So very comfortable here. You've got footrests on this side, footrest over here, air conditioning. Now this one also has the Seakeeper. So that's a stabilizing, it's a Seakeeper, and it's a gyro stabilizer. So when you're sitting still, it keeps the boat very, very calm and doesn't tip left to right. Also, when you're running, especially in rougher seas, it kind of calms the boat down a little bit. This is joystick docking with the Verados. Left, right, spin to the left, spin to the right. Incorporated in that is going to be your autopilot, digital throttle and shift right here. Raymarine Electronics twin 16-inch chart plotter, radar. This particular one has open array radar. This also has night vision. So it's got the FLIR night vision as well as a spotlight. So lots of room here, very comfortable, nice refrigerator right here. So we'll go to the bow real quick, and this is what a lot of people like about the boat. Tons of room up here. So it's a great fishing boat, great family boat, but great for entertaining. So this is a very comfortable ride here. This table goes up and down. Of course, we've got the sea deck up there. And if you look up here, you'll see the open array right there. Which is more accurate and it's higher definition than a closed dome. And on the very top, you'll see the FLIR Raymarine night vision, which is very, very cool. But totally protected all the way around. You can see that the canvas is up. So let's go back through here. So down in the cabin, you've got, you can sleep 2 comfortably in here. You've got your TV, main distribution panel, which is right here, controls your 110 volts and your 12 volts. Fully enclosed here on our starboard side, fully enclosed head. This has dockside discharge as well as overboard discharge. So pretty much everything you need for an extended weekend. So this boat is designed to be kind of an SUV. We can head that way if you want. So it'll give you the ability to fish, to dive, to entertain, and to cruise in comfort. So the 350 Realm is one of my favorite boats. The boat's located here at MarineMax in Venice. The boat's going to the market at $829,950. But if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw, the listing broker, and my number is 941-376-3682. 3345. Thank you for taking the time, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.